to Coloring Book TV and big up my brother Puppy Dan. Like and comment and subscribe.
Welcome back to Coloring Book TV. You know, so we're there with a brand new movie and the one you call See Me and Live With Me. You understand? So it's a great storyline, you understand? And I hope the effort I'm pushing in there, you understand? I hope you enjoy. You know, when I go push out the effort and then you tell me, say, you enjoy. So I hope I do my best still, so I hope it's good. You understand? So I just want to like the movie, share, comment, you understand? And I have a music channel named Puppy Dan Vivo, so I want to go over there and show me some support. You understand? I want to support David and 1LF. You understand? You know, say both away. He's a young upcoming artist. I want to give you some support. You understand? So this movie now, they have a lot of things more to finish up. You understand? So if you get a good feedback from me, at least you can run a part 2. You understand? But you know, we did just start film the one here, and we get the end out tight and the middle part and the first part, but some little tying up they did for go on the night, so that's why this is kind of short. You understand? So I hope you understand me still, but me always push out the effort for me. I needed one this Friday pass and I get something, so I just still put out the artists. You understand? So we'll more movie afford. Coloring Book TV here to do the best, and we always do the best. Big up Tugger TV, Jamaican, Richard Brown Films, PFS Films, the whole crew, Paradise Nation, Public Report. Yeah man, big up. You know all we are one link.
What's ya? Rosie girl, what one? You know, say, I don't get a countryside in the girl, me there. We get transferred, girl. Be things are going, be things, yeah. I'm just there, I rent one place. I'm there for about 2 weeks, so I kind of just get myself settled in, you know. So I want to find your thing. Alright, girl, even talk about that. Even talk about that, girl. How am I kill my man if I love my man? That makes sense. Me and a friend for years. Think about it logically. When would I hurt somebody I really love, girl? I said them I try to set up my thing. But right now them have it done an investigation and then put me on 2-week break, so but me just go on normal out. It heavy palm because I wouldn't do that, girl. You know I wouldn't do that, but so normal out because me know me balance from my side. Girl, you didn't know me wouldn't do that, girl. You know better than that. So alright, here we go now. I get settled in. Go so bam, some get settled in, you can pass through, you know. Pass through because we need to talk about some things. You know, we can't really chat certain things over phone, but me need to talk, my friend. And there I just go and get settled in. I like the place to not too bad, and so I go on low key and thing, and maybe I feel look a while as me tell them. I'm on 2 weeks break and so I go on normal out. So we can link up on them day past as me say. Yeah. I know work myself, I know me I go back to work when everything starts out. Because I know say I wouldn't do that. So eventually they will find out. Alright, mama, just go and bless up yourself in. Alright, manners and respect. So we, my lord. Man, I'm trying to lay down the thing, brother. See if we can look something to eat, you know. Hello. Hello,
good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, my neighbor. I'm going to ask if we can pick two of them akide. My akide look nice. I'm going to put some in idea.
I can't pick it still, you know.
You really want big pick them for my man. What's your name again?
Oh, Bob, my name still.
Sorry. Okay, nice to meet you, Bob. I'm Chosen.
Nice to meet you. Well, I can't pick anything in the yard. Remember, say you rent a room and I rent a room, so we are tenant and then I'm not saying anything in the yard.
Yes, man. Right, I'm going to pick some ackee and cook some ackee in idea.
Yeah, I could pick him. I pick it for you, but I have to go up on the road. But I can't make it one eye. You them in the area pick it.
Alright, let me see one nice one. Nice man, you know I can pick some ackee for me. Thank you so much, my neighbor.
Muna did it in the
Alright, Max your crime. Yeah, this is what I go on first. Let me get somebody. Wow. Nice up in a tree, man. You know, some of them not gonna be able to put them out there, funny. Let's see, I'm missing nobody.
Only love can set us free.
Yeah, hear me, Rasta, to the flag in my back, I don't know if you hear me.
Yeah, bless you.
Good day. Alright, so, sorry for calling you so strong. My name is Chosen and you are?
I'm Fire.
Nice to meet you, nice
Yeah,
to
man.
meet you, man.
First, me I see you though.
I'm new around town.
New. Yeah, well, it's always good to have some new face and especially a sweet face like yours.
Oh, Lord. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. You make me a blush too. Like how you have blush.
You're not so bad looking yourself. Thank you.
So how you doing this morning now?
I'm doing good, but I see some nice ackee on the tree. I want to go cook over the yard. I live over here, so I wonder if I could have picked them from a Rasta.
Yeah, so man, a simple mathematics, man.
Alright, come on, Fire, come on. Man, forward. It is so nice of you to be so, helpful to help me with. Oh God, I'm so grateful.
One thing I tell about around here, when you're full of mosquito.
Oh,
like when you know, watch out.
Look at them start biting up already. This morning we get bite. I threw it gone down because I put alcohol on it.
Alright. It's dirty mosquito, but you want to try to bite you.
That was a big one, innit?
Yeah, man. Escape though.
I'm going to charge it next time though.
No, I'm going to try to kill mosquito for you.
You're going to have to have proof. You're going to need proof.
I'm not fast enough. The one that's swift.
You hit animals? Wow. Next time, don't miss on your
Enough to mix.
Alright, so. Some nice actually serious stuff.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yes.
About a dozen half with them, man.
Yes, man, that's about right.
Alright, come on, go do. I'm going to use a stick. I'll pick them. So you go put them in now. Go and continue.
Alright, I'm going to get them and come back. I'll be right back.
Alright. Yeah.
Open.
Oh, I'm going to do it, you know?
Ackee them.
You know, sir, I'm not really specialize in ackee, you know. A long time, I not eat ackee, because I'm not eat ackee. So you can pick them out and throw the next part of the session.
Thank you so much. Hey, we love ackee, you know. You ever try ackee with rundown?
I don't eat ackee though.
Mom used to make that nice. Like really nice.
Where you come from? The countryside you come from?
Yeah, my mommy come from Manchester. She's a country woman. Throw them back underneath the tree.
You throw them over that bush like. I don't know over the place, I don't like when them place mess up. I don't know if you know cuss about them ackee, but you don't know. Yeah, parent, yeah.
The balloon can't eat off all the ackee.
I think you have more than a dozen today.
Thank you so much, Fire.
Alright, so sit there.
That's a good amount. Thank you so much.
Because you don't have to cook for me, not eating. Ackee business, so I want you there.
Just me alone. You know, I cook for myself.
So you know no man?
I'm not have no man. I talk to one little man, but in the overseas, we're kind of rocky in a relationship right now, but you know it's complicated. Let's put it at
Let
that.
me say, you're kind of this still.
Salsa, yes.
So you eat salt?
No. I like me thing I saw, you know?
I don't eat ital, so when the nature calls, we go about it.
Take a cold shower, relax, and have a nice cup of tea, go to bed. That works all the time, works like magic.
You know, really want a turn down in nature every time, you know. You need to activate it. But anyway, I'm there in the era still, so when you want nothing else to do, like anything where you can't reach, you want a long stick, you know, if you juke it down or do anything,
Yes,
then
sir.
we can't do it for you. Alright?
Okay, thank you so much again. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Yeah man, alright, so if you cook, if you have cook anything else, we pass through, but we can't manage the active though.
Alrighty. You like soupies?
No. I don't eat soupies neither. Then time I cousin with you and then time with you, you know. Unless you go, if your time is still near me, you may eat the soupies if you go cook it if time in.
I'll allow you to watch me cook it from scratch.
Alright.
So you know some not try it yet.
Alright. So go on and enjoy the acting and go up on the road. And we'll meet again and we talk.
You
right?
definitely shall meet again.
Yeah man.
Thank you again, Saya.
Actually, if you number you could call me just in case you can train you in that era.
I know we'll meet again.
Yeah,
Definitely.
but the next time I'll give me number.
Okay.
That means if you want me service and
I may definitely need your service.
yes, so yeah, you'll have to call me. Alright?
Okay, take care now.
Alright, same to you, my girl.
Thank you.
You look good, I make my money.
You're something else, Fire.
Mama, you know why me get fire? After me don't I check, don't I workplace, you know. And me say me I go weigh out some floor, you see me? And me put on my poly bag them, so I'm going to weigh the floor them. Me tell you what I see in the floor. I see more than 1,000 rat picnic in it. So I'm good now, I call the boss and I talk to the boss. You know what man do? Man fire me, you know, because after I call the man, you know, man come there, and take out the rat baby them, put them in one box, scrape off the top part of the floor, and tell himself wait to rest. So I tell him, say, oh, boss man, I not wait, you know. So the China man end up fire me. So right now, I have no job. I go find something soon still. But I go back in them kind of out there, you know, because they expect, say, them for we out them the kind of thing. And give people and people for me.
What up, Bob? Oh, go on.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Oh, go on, my boy.
Oh, God.
Look again at tree, I go on, well, 100.
They look at people, Chinese people that fire me, you know.
Then fire you?
Yeah.
Who?
Because maybe they are weird some floor, I'm going to find some rat picking in that floor. I'm going to touch, so I'm going to touch, so they send me for weird. You know how weird they fire me.
You find rat baby in the floor down there?
Yeah, so look about more than 1,000 of them.
And then when you weigh,
And through me now weird, they fire me.
so who they want to sell it? I mean they want to go down go buy it, right?
No. But me could have it hard for we out them the floor there, I know, say.
Good.
Them the kind of other things.
You know, that's why I know. I'm going to cut off of the things there. I have a new plan. I go be a cassava, be a coconut, be a natural things, right? And if I find a piece of wetland, I go do some rice to myself. You have to take your food in your own hand nowadays because you don't know where you're yam. But anyway, don't know for that. Don't know for the yamming argument. We have bigger things than that. Yo, this is a nice little brown, blackish, I'm not sure if we call brown, kind of in between. Nice long hair girl over your yard there. Like our new tenant. It's so happy for you this morning and thing.
You know, say, I mean, this is the one pick up like I say, me I go on the road.
It's a good thing you never pick it, if you won't pick him, you won't get to see her. That's good. But me I say differently though. She not do that no man.
You never see she can't no man there, you know.
She knew though.
She knew, but maybe me not see her. But me know me not see no man come out of man in time.
Yo, me feel say. Cause up on my yard now, you have no man a problem man. Hot water. The girl just nagging. You should find everything to cuss about.
Well, man, I go back, go live in it now, man. You know.
No, right now, I feel like I'm living with this one here. Because I want to look so nice and so polite. This one looks so nice and so polite.
Well, man, I live in it no more, man.
Look, no, I'm not talking about daddy, I'm not talking about you. I say me.
Oh, you.
Alright, so you know, if any man come out there, you tell me. That means I know somebody else cancel it. But if no man not there, more rolling panic.
Me make you know what.
Yeah, man, but you what? Think about some farming, daddy. Think about some different things. Buy something, buy and sell some things, daddy. True. Stop it from them, then, daddy. If you're not. Alright, go ILO. Right? Go them place there, go different place, go place where you know you can see the things there. Right? All them prepared. Rough for living in yo, we are name so in no way. We are name so in Babylon, no name. But anyway, that's it for next time. Yo.
Alright, take it.
Come.
You know, say, I go to the restaurant, see me. You know, say, tell us, you know, what the plan is.
That's how we fire the tall Rasta man?
You say, I don't know if you write the
So you just write
it. So you say, no, the plan.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, take care. Oh my god, it's such a hot day. What fire is any number? Oh, give me some number. It's a number. Look. Let me see. Maybe I should give him a call. Let me call Rosie first and hear what she have to say. Because now I'm out. I kind of feel like they move too fast. Rosie, yeah, what going? Yeah, right. Yeah, mama, day I go and chocolate said we. Yeah, man, I like the place and yeah, me just there still. Yeah. So girl, you wanna know, you know the thing come down already with this whole thing and they might accuse me say Ray and I hurt and all of that, but Jaja, you know me still a human being and my feelings and something. I meet one guy kinda nice and something, but me I want it for too fast for like talk to nobody because you know them still have me on a heavy premiums and something, so I like him and him send him number and girl there. But kinda hurt a girl I only come sad, so but they are contemplating if I call him or not. I don't know what you think. You think when I move too fast for my calling girl, because you know, yeah, you know, me love such man and him dead and I have to move out of my life. I can't stop mourning for the rest of my life. Exactly. Yeah, girl, man. I take your advice. May I give him a call. Alright, we chat. Take care. Hello?
Hello, who's this? I don't know who I'm talking to.
It's Chosen. Remember you met me the other day?
Oh, the girl in Akipa.
Yeah, remember, yeah, and I thanked you so much. And it turned out really great, you know?
Oh, that's pretty, I don't eat Aki.
I could probably cook something you like another time, but anyways, what I called for is that, I'm having a little back pain, and the said time I said the number, I did just a think about you, so I think it's divine timing.
Yeah, I mean, I'm masseuse, you know.
Good now?
I'm masseuse. I rub out every pain out of your joint and put pain in one different part of your body. Transfer the pain.
Oh my God, right now, come let me feel the pain and move it just by you talking. Listen, I have back and my shoulder to give me some, it feels like muscle spasms or something like that.
Oh, where are you now? Where are you now?
I'm at home.
Alright, I'm coming over now, right?
Okay, I can't wait. For your time. Alrighty, I'm waiting. Oh, So that's the way you see. Such a God.
You ready?
Hi. Yeah, what's a hi, no?
I'm welcome. For me today now.
You're rich cookie.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yes, I was going to tell you.
First part of your Philippine.
Man, my back. You know, them place here, like. Place here, Rasta, man. You have to get into it. You say you have years of experience?
Yeah.
I see you got some hands. I wonder what them hands do.
You do a lot of things, man. You want to down? You want to down?
Oh, Lord. It's like, Jesus. What's the man?
No, this is the groove, man.
What is this one called?
This one is called the Jacama. The Jacama.
You right this the man, right? This
You
is
see work
the
at you see the rafting place?
Uh-huh.
You see work today. Then fire me say my hand go too far.
No, but like you go too far. No.
Can you say two of the foreigner then get pregnant? Yeah, man, when you go back home to your husband, then pregnant.
Then I say you go Rasta?
And when the baby band was like, yeah! Rastafari! That's so. Yeah, man. We go move down.
No, Rasta, you pain land right to so.
Yeah, but we want to move down. May I try to pull it down? May I pull it down? May I pull it down?
Man.
Yeah.
Rasta.
May I professional, you know? Unite now.
No, man, that's the man. Yeah, right this way. Pain. Oh, God, the pain got. Oh, right this way. Pain. Alright, that's the pain got. Really, man? Yeah, who teaching us something?
Yeah, man, we got school fee, man. Yeah, man, before we ran to work at the hotel. Enough guests. The pinch nerve, rub it out. Yeah, man.
I'm seeing on them something, no, man.
Magic in them.
Jesus.
See, you feel like them soft?
That's the man. Jesus. Man. So, Rasta, you have a woman.
No, I'll tell you my thing go now. Partially single because man I break up. Right? Then I break up from me wake up and see what she going with.
Make sure, say I tell me true.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm gonna play games, you know.
Yeah,
and I'm say, yeah, my man.
Yeah. Yeah, me are your man for now on. If you say so, just say a word and it happen.
My man?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, if I'm
Sure.
going, yeah.
No, I do you know. I'm gonna play games
right now.
Heart in our
Listen,
stomach. One, you know.
I say I go move in with the instantly. I say, if I say the word, we fly and say like a one bird.
Everything serious.
Yeah, for real.
No, for sure, you know.
For sure.
When I played my feelings.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a lot of hurt. I'm not going back down that road.
Listen to me. This is where the hurting ends. This is
just
a
word
top.
for it. I'm like you just nice,
yeah.
Man. No, for sure. Back to them. No, seriously.
No, it's
where you
like,
get them hands from?
I tell you.
Wake up your mama, your dad. No man, you come. This come like you want to in a family tradition.
Yeah. So far, yeah, man, that is it, man. We work with it. It's me and put it
and enough time I have all type of pain in my middle.
No, yeah. No, the pain.
What pain? Yeah.
And when pain, then we rub it out. Got the foot, you know.
Oh, no. Oh, Lord. I just want to cramp the day so I get my heart right this time. Young age and a rasta.
Watch out. Watch out.
Man.
Watch out.
So I feel like a heat sensation.
Yeah,
There's something in your hand.
Burn me a body out.
What is it? Careful.
No, listen. I say fire. So I see the good fire is like a wood fire. If the fire cannot be bad enough. If the fire not put on the pot can cook. Tell the truth. Alright. And you love your food. You see you love your food. Because you can see it in my eyes then.
Careful, don't come go like you want.
No, I see good food. I see good food in you.
Alright. Good.
Alright.
Definitely
So,
Holly again. We need to talk some more, but
yeah, man, we have to go really talk. No, you have my number. I go text you. 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 I go text you.
Give me a hug before you go. We're eating like here. There's something about you from the first time I saw you, Rasta man. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself. I'm here watching on a careful.
Yeah.
Nothing to miss me.
I never go talk.
We have
Go move in.
to do.
I go move in.
Anything you say.
I go move in.
Make sure, make sure I'm a Rasta.
You see, one not easy, you know. Girl. Oh my God. I mean, I can't look at them people there.
Girl, you see me there call me here, you call me and tell me to come so. But just tap call me and come so. I have a finish, you know.
Let me see how you look. Yeah, go and good so far, man. Give me a comb. Yeah, but then, man. I'm in the palm my car. Come on, we go to a good day. And the reason why I have to come over here to a house because me alone there, I'm free. I don't nobody have to stay with me. Okay. We got the chair, I can't come over. I want to think no Shayna. I bet you follow the height.
Time I get you.
Some secrets you have.
Time I get you. Live with that. Put you right there, so.
I bet you follow the height. I keep secret now. Yeah. So as I said to you before, the relationship with the day, you know, so it did complicated, right?
Yeah.
And we end up and break up on something. And you know, say me always there here with somebody, and it really hard for me alone there now. I can't cope by myself when time I there here, you see me? So that's the reason I say call you, because you're my best friend for a long time, so I know so you're not going to tell me no. So you're the only person who could have turned to right. Not even my family member them not turn to, because right now, not even them I not want to hear from.
No problem with that, man. May stay with you.
Alright. Girl, life really I deal with me bad. I really life, you know, relationship. You see me?
Sometimes relationship have ups and downs, but some relationship, abusive relationship, then the relationship they will end.
Or if I'm not pay down back in our house there. What do I have people on the phone today. I wait for me to chat about them. They stay there, them good. And two of them, they will keep one another company until we're ready to chat to them.
That's true, Steve.
Good day.
Good day.
All gone.
I'm okay.
Although you look like a night I come down still. Like the color of your ear though.
Thanks.
Everything does mad stuff. Which fire come from?
Up the road there.
I like it still, I understand. When I first see you still, I see you one time downtown, like I get something nice to market, but like I didn't want to approach you that time because I say, you did busy and the people then I take too long to catch you, so I didn't want to talk to you. But now I get to talk to you. Something. My name is Dwayne. And what is yours?
Brittany.
Brittany. Nice name. So we can get your number though, so like we can talk and something.
It's just because I'm in a hurry now. I'm going to give them your number.
Alright. I'm going to walk with you, man. Come on, put in my number. 799.
How come, girl? You good?
Yeah, where you come from?
Girl, I say a shop. I say a shop, but I'm going to get one more, you see me? So, you know, so I'm going to call back. Anyways, girl, I go to shop and see this boy. I play hard to get and stuff, you know, so girl can't move too soft when they see boy, but you didn't feel that. So, boy asked him for my number because he said like me. I see him, I like him, so I say, alright then. They give me number, then he walk away talk and something. So, I think I like to get to know him still.
So you give me a number just like that for the first?
No, because I get to know him. So that's why I give me number.
Alright then.
So you're good?
Yeah, me good man.
Eat not yet?
Yeah. You want something to eat?
Right now, I'm hungry. I'm going to get you.
Alright. So come.
Yeah.
Really and truly, over here some of them man can live free.
No problem.
But, you know, like, I just find love so fast and I don't know why. From the first time I see like someone keep my right here, like, from the time me start walk and talk, you know, I just build a good energy and everything. You understand? And look at time when I come over here and we talk and something. But I'm glad so we're in a relationship now.
Yeah,
You understand? So you tell me about your last relationship still, so I'm not going to be like the last relationship, I'm going to do better.
Hopefully.
So where you want with it tonight? Like, if your friend gone night town to come back, so you don't want to meet her night town and chill because
Yeah,
so you can get her ice cream to us.
Yeah, come on. We're just going to far now. Someone going to far now, but oh yeah, bye. And then, yeah, wait for night.
How you walk here for?
No walk here. I'm going to walk here. I'm going to check, man.
Man, I see your account thief, you know.
You're bright and face about thief.
Better as well as your account if I told lie, man. Bow.
Bright and face about thief.
What you?
No man live
Yeah,
around there.
no woman over there. Woman.
One nice girl around there, pretty girl over here, and my woman.
Fear woman.
The most beautiful girl on this
So we are
compound.
trying to call we ugly?
Yes, you know.
The man
She
a
said
brighty.
the most beautiful girl on this compound is my woman.
Is here a woman?
A lie?
I must see auntie we are crawling there, yeah.
Anything you say?
Where's a woman up
Who upstairs a ground and back got teeth, not out of people in place.
Alright.
Watch him and go upstairs.
Big
Because
teeth.
he have a tip foot go up
My
there.
name is grown up for.
Up on him.
Bring a woman over here. No man no want him.
Kind of too, like a song up. If you know the old man there, we not look good. Washy.
With the old locks, like
But
outdated and
which man
expired.
want him?
Yo.
Hi, how are you doing? I miss this so much. Oh, my look so.
So no girl them want on the front, the man.
Which
I send me a
girl?
thief. Some girl.
T what?
Send me a
T?
thief, me run a thief.
My man a
And
thief?
them are the prettiest girl up there, ugly girl over here and bag us. Me I say, I'm this child this week.
I'm the most beautiful girl in your world. No. Come.
Go show you girl them. Come in no come with argument guy, you know. Because first thing first, whenever there were no beauty contest, and so who prettier, and how come prettier come night, and how come thief come night.
No, and I'm the most beautiful girl in your world.
Me tell them, say you're the prettiest girl on the compound.
Which is right.
Yeah? And then...
Who? Show me.
Two of them.
I'm see them, I don't like them enough. I'm coming at this year, I notice
Two of
the
them,
energy with
then
them
just step on your name out there, look at you out there chat.
Hello, hi, excuse me.
Two of them.
Excuse me. One of my man and I come man for.
It's my wife, yeah. I tell her,
I will send Granny out. I will call her. I will send call you.
Girl, me I warn you, girl. How a puff looking dry head girl and you.
Are we want to run up?
Girl, me not have no run from. Listen, you see my man see me, come here, babe.
Yeah.
You see my man, cut your eye past him.
Even if
Cut
you
your
want
eye
to
past him.
Nobody not want your man.
You know, some coming here, me not make no
them and send me
problem.
a tea.
Yes, look
That
here, your
is-
man look like a thief, like a scruff. You can't deal
And
with
how
him
you
better.
look on yourself like you're cheer for one team and cheer for you. Me don't know what to say, but
Watch out.
At
nicely,
At least, I read better
Bun
than
it bun
how could I pass me?
Run it up, girl, me a warn you.
With him, man,
Leave
like
my man alone.
50 shade of TV.
Leave my man
50 shade
alone.
of, right, there's some, right, there's some 50 shade of TV. So don't go and go watch your man lax. With the head cap like a looking glass. It think like,
you want your hair go turn around.
I want to take this again, yeah. With the Tony eye them. You better mind the puff drop off from the back. Hi! No. So wait, that was you want to run up?
That's difficult.
Hey, I would have hold her in this seat, I would have
That's difficult.
Hey,
Oh,
Ali man, with the rotten locks on my have in her head, I would have pop out everything up. I would have pop out everything to the day, yeah.
Like some think like
a shit.
Right. Yeah, me I didn't twist up
Yo.
and look like a.
You gotta know me, I'm going to go do him something, you know.
But differently though, girl. Me not like the idea with the chair we sleep on one bed.
Girl, you know see my man that, right? And nah do nothing, you know him. Me just don't know him 100, but me know him, me nah do nothing. But good youth.
I thought we did live up there and then all of a sudden you go have boyfriend and know him asleep with you. You don't feel comfortable, girl.
All of that, sometimes I can't spread one little spread of ground and sleep and or something. Me not say that if you feel uncomfortable, you can do that. Spread something comfortable on the ground and sleep or something. But I'm say my man no girl, me can't make him come over there and feel uncomfortable.
Yo, say I know say security boy if you dead for true, you know.
I'm here, man. Yo, I tell you, say the man I move timid, dog.
Because we tell him, say, yo, don't make your boy come out of the supermarket and he make him come out. So if we don't catch your boy, we would have to hurt him to you.
What do you mean?
If you listen to you.
Oh, I don't know the thing going on. I'm not left no evidence, you know, no witness.
Yo, next time you come around, man, you say something, man.
I'm here to talk.
Yeah, man, I like you.
Brother.
Hey boy, you know, say enough to talk to me, say, you know.
Sorry, man.
You know that too, you know.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, say, it was last night, yesterday was good. You understand?
That we are talking about, man.
It was good. But you see your dog, you have to take telling, you know. The security boy, they plan with team, me tell you that already. You never tell you, man.
You think? When my name Trigger Finger for?
So, I don't know him. So, somebody up on team and we don't know him.
Bro, then how else we get the information so the money ready?
But we tell him, so if you don't make the man come out of the place, so the money and make it come out. So if he make him come out, we have to hurt him then.
Yeah, man, say no, man. So when I give you no orders, you just have to take it orders, brother, and take telling. Me have everything plot out already, you know, man. And me I run this, you know.
Yo, a whole heap of people all know say we all already security, you know, so we had on the road right now, you know.
You see your dog, you love sleep too, you know, man. Just hold this, man. Because watch on, man, just hold it and hold off the street. Because I'm not saying, you know.
So we sleep a day and work at night, you know.
Just go run off the place. You understand? So the money, as soon as everything is split up, you must make
money. Just go and run off the place, man. I'll go over for me and come back.
You see somebody, you love yard too much, you know. Yeah, one girl one day, you know say when I did that, I want to make a girl enjoy more. You have to build, brother.
No, man.
You can't act.
And every day we have to each up around money, have to each up around woman, you know.
Yeah, me I say no.
Alright, check out finger. Show, man, show.
Don't say
no, man, I know say we had to out up on the road, but we have to want one woman one time to man, I'm here, man.
See how burn up right now, you want in a sweater.
Yeah, man, everything good.
You know, say you know how we enjoy life, and I know say a good last lockdown around there.
Yeah,
I know how we have nothing out there.
That's why I'm run go back.
Yeah, me so link on it, man.
Alright,
go up on man.
Hold up on the style.
Remember me tell us, be careful of them woman, because one of them are going to put you in a problem.
They must say you not grow me as a fool.
When you're a bad man, brother.
No, man, I tell you not grow me as a fool, man. None of them can't grow me, man.
You're right, just watch out
gangster still.
Last night when I go into man, I sleep with the right and mama to man, and mama afraid, you know, man.
Alright, do you?
All the other friend in my bed with me, I'm run off the place, you know.
Alright. Nobody sleeping, man.
No, man.
Yeah, me so far, yeah.
Man, right as somebody.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Where the afraid I make you tell me to spread something on the ground to sleep on?
What you mean by afraid? You must know by now, say, me not afraid of no boy. Me you come from far. I hear you come with afraid. That the boy there? Me will kick him down, tapping in belly, tapping in back, tapping in neck. Cause me bad like that. Me not afraid of no boy. Where you going so far? I roll here and look here and do it. Me not afraid of no boy. That the boy that can step across and dirt or shellings. You know that too. Oh, yeah, look. I practice with you, I practice one.
Practice with you. Sit down there.
No, stop me, money.
Sit down there. We are talking.
I know you.
So who we are talking to them?
We get one look at something for do.
You know say I eat that to take me for?
Look at
Eh? You know say I eat that to take me for?
Look at us. I want to tell you say I want to look at something we get for. We are practicing. We are practicing script. I want to look at something we get for do. No, but
Yo, sit down.
me no man. You do that talk like that.
Go upstairs. What are you doing? Go upstairs. They call me and tell me to go downstairs.
Yeah, so me have to call and tell us. So she have to call you.
Go on upstairs.
In front of my friend.
Go on upstairs.
But this serious.
Yo, come out of my business.
God, yeah.
Yo, go on upstairs.
Girl, the place was boring. If I tell you, every day we're there in a yard till we can't go nowhere.
You in a yard? You can't go somewhere, you can't go now.
Girl, I can't go somewhere because if we are go places, we're not finna that one then. Listen, I want to know so the time when time I come back and when time, you know.
Oh, so you're on the sneak out.
If I that figure on that, I figure go on because me like chip now house and come like a no house yet. No, things are like that.
Think you have to go find something to body, you know. Think you have to go.
Oh, God, so.
Yeah, me a police. No. Yes, man, said it so.
But wait, man, I lie, I tell you now.
Because we never seen our work clothes yet before our police clothes. I never hear about say police or whatsoever.
Same thing me, I say.
I murder somebody. Them transfer me. I get a vacation leave while they under investigation. That's the thing there.
Oh, so.
So I murder somebody. I'm not afraid to murder somebody again. Time I murder, get a transfer investigation. Not no come out of it. Get back my work. That is it, normal period.
Okay.
Said way so. Let's go and balance up, man.
Alright.
After we had this up with the man, son,
I'm not going to with the woman and I tell him about him. But when they say him and the police do her some look here, make we go.
No. We can. Come on. Let's talk about this girl. It's serious. Yeah.
I can't be so I want you.
Not nothing to me. And there I go and let them easy good.
But make you tell me something I'm come today.
No.
I'm going to put on my bag again. Girl, you say, maybe I have to come to her because you don't know for no. How you hide your face so? Make your face look so. So that's why you never want me to come up here?
Sir, it's a long story.
What happened to you?
And the man when me deal with.
He beat you up under your face so? And you sit down up your ball?
I regular thing this just because sometime in the year, if you see what go on, make me not tell her anything. I regular thing this. I show more while sometimes when I go up on the road, I'm there. He deal with me so. And this is the reason why I never did want to come down yesterday.
Oh. So me ask you a question. You love him?
I don't know how to put this, but no, I don't love him. The
So
reason why I'm there with him is because I'm afraid of him. Because if me ever tell him say I want to leave, he will beat me, he will threaten me. It's hard. And the whole heap of time he even threatened me and show me gun.
Gun?
Gun! I should me never tell her all of this that the man they have gun, man.
Girl, but
He
wait.
was afraid him and coming over here with me and say, see, you even see how they deal with me out there, so?
Yeah,
You
me
even
see.
see that?
But wait now, wait. You say you don't love him, right? You're just afraid of him. Remember saying now, one police woman live on the house where we live. Downstairs. Make we set him up.
Some people go to the woman and tell him.
Wait now, but remember say when the woman did an argument, you know, we friend him up first and get one case. You know, police, if they get one case, they will get promotion. So she might want a promotion. So make we friend her up and set him up.
So when we go do that, do you think she don't know? When I pass this year or anything?
I think she might come in back. So we can go to her and we just plan together. And so them go to prison and get back your freedom, girl. Then sit in your face top. They were sitting in your
Look at my face.
They mean you really.
I'll
yeah,
go
next
for
one.
now before rain come in. Because I
Come
don't
on.
think come again and chat about to go in the house and go in the yard and one magazine.
You can't tell her that.
Girl,
Yeah, you don't get free from her. Then you know you make your boy a beat up your back.
if you hurry up, I come and want him come back and then he go see me like this. Me out of one lick me at them from going in back.
You can't do enough of this stuff. There's no police over there now.
Hello? Good evening.
There, you can come, man, you can come.
Just a
supposed to head out to work?
When they come here,
I'm so nervous. Let me put my phone on silent.
they come here to apologize about everything when they take place other day. We are only supposed to live as one. Just because we see them, we never know say your boyfriend, to be honest. But they know say your boyfriend want to deal with him, so I look at joke with there with him said we, isn't it? So I wonder if I can forgive you, please.
You don't forgive me, we're all women and we all go through ups and downs.
But the main thing when I come around here is because about my boyfriend.
What's wrong with your face? Why is your face looking like that?
But my boyfriend fist me in my face. He always abuse me. And
No, come here, let me see your face. No, this don't look safe. What's going on? I need details. Talk to me now. We'll get into something.
Talk, can I put up and talk? Talk and tell her what going on.
Yeah, tell me what's going on.
My boyfriend always abuse me and
For how long? How long has this been going on?
long.
So why you
From
take it so
start.
long and could have killed her? You wait until him kill her. Talk to me. Like, when they know? What's going on?
In the funny road and the main thing I'm coming on about is we get upset I can't lock him up because
No, that is against the law. That's abuse in all different forms. Let's go. We need to do this
I know
now.
that alone.
What else? Tell me everything because I need all the details in order to take press charges.
I'm a gun man.
And what else? Is there anything else I need to
He
know?
threatened me. And he showed me gun, me whole heap of
Gun?
time.
You say gun
Yes.
and abuse? That's a lot of charges at hand. Where is he now? When they know?
I'm up on the road.
On the road?
Tell her, say, he check me if he kill you.
But I don't mean I try to explain and tell her.
Talk up, tell her everything.
Charges can be pressed against him. But at the end of the day, I know you're serious because I'm not going to lock him up now and next thing I am the man that again 2 tools. So make sure you're serious because the abuse thing, it not going to work out. That's a serious matter in the hands of the law. So, you say you want me to press charges against him, right?
No, just make him get rid out of my life. You don't want
Alright,
him in my life
here's
no
what
more.
no. You're going to have to cooperate with the police. So here what? You're going to call him and prepare it so I want to hear details, very distinct details because we're going to need evidence in court because this is about in front of court. So we're going to need details. You'll call him and line up everything, make him talk. You're going to set him up to it, sweet him up, nice him up. If you have to give him some or whatever you have to do, sweet him up so we can hear the details. I'm going to catch him raw red-handed.
When are you going to do it today?
Today as him come, we'll start it out. So get yourself prepared.
We have one closet upstairs. We don't know if I could hide it.
That work, I can hide in the closet so I hear everything when him a talk.
Alright.
And I can come out and lock him up right hand spot. I want to catch him red-handed.
Alright, I hope I'll go before I come back because I'm afraid he come out.
So call me because I want the hand spot. Call me.
Alright then. Let's go.
Go ahead.
So see closet there, we would make a hide, you know. So we want me to do money for now.
You have to call him and set up. I'll be in here hiding. And as soon as I have enough evidence, I come out. And I make him know that I have charges being laid against him. And then we get him red-handed.
Yo, you know what's up on a big man level yo, tonight you have to shake up the place and that. You have to roll out now with mass and something because right now Christmas are coming and want some money, you know.
Yo, you see Rex Road them now, yo, right now them feel like say yo, they might bust a bigger gun them, you know, man. But look at me, man, me have a brand new something, me have a dark of a place around or something.
I mean, man.
Nah, man.
You know say all the boys they will buy a new car, you know say yo, if you have to make a boy all play deals to come and ramp with the badness and I say we run the place, you know, man.
Yeah, me answer, man. A bigger way I get it now, you know. That's them the little fool there, while we make things there. We don't want them the money.
Yeah, so I want you to call him because we need as much evidence as possible so we can catch him on spot and lock him up. We need to get rid of this man out of your life.
Yeah, me tell you. Bigger money on that one. See that. See it.
I feel me, man. I feel me.
Oh, you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Hello?
Yo, Wiper.
I'll call me just there, call you. You can come over here, please?
Where you want me to come over there for? My girl right now up on the road, me there with my nigga right now, you know. So where you want me to come over there for now for?
No, so me, emergency.
You dead?
No. Just come here, no man, as an emergency. Man, I'm calling for an emergency.
Yo, listen me. You see if me come over there and I know foolishness, me shot your box, you know.
Right, that's up. I run no joke.
Over here for something. Or something me I give you. Here?
Yo, me have fun.
No joke with that.
Hurry up.
Perfect. Good timing.
Brother.
Yo, your man must say some emergency before, right?
Bro,
So I pull up over there.
You may tell us, say as a bad man, I can't make no woman call you and draw you out.
No, man, I draw out, man, you see me? You say something emergency.
Bro, you may tell us, say, you know, sometimes you have to work with the instinct in your inner mind, you know.
I'll show man. But,
can't.
yo, I'm around here and I'm afraid I'm like a pussy, you know, so I can't I go on over there.
Alright, my boss. I just tell you, say, yo, just easy yourself, and but I turn us, brother. Nobody gonna know.
Yo, me I go and check you, man. Come on, so we have a crime for crush to come on here. I don't spend long, man. I afford.
Alright, do you ask? Because the Seabird to come here, you know. Seabird, you can drink two juice, yeah, man. Come in here, Seabird. Let's come in here, Seabird, man. I'm to you, man. Drink 2 beer. And easy yourself. Because the man didn't understand. You see a girl in one guy and you have to.
I'll be in here. And you need him to talk as much as possible. Don't be afraid. It's going to be alright. Today is the last of this.
No, you're not afraid. No, you're not afraid.
Listen. Make sure you make him talk. Make him talk and talk everything.
Yeah, home. You see rich fast. You're going to suffer.
Why problem myself?
Yeah,
I'm gonna roll my day with dogs, you know, I pray.
So why you are going to suffer?
Because I just want to make sure I'm not foolish, you call me for. So I call me for foolish and I just shut your box.
Yeah.
What you say about
Before everything gets started, may I ask you something? Yeah, bad man for sure this one, but I just me, yeah, bad up.
What you say?
So we are going to for me ask you
You know my
question.
badness? Eh?
I want a question, me ask you.
Me say if you know my badness, you know the amount of people I murder. I'm a murder James, you know?
James?
Oh, you mean?
Innocent James?
You feel like me laugh? Me and my friend, I'm a murderer. A people we kill for your living. So now you alone, me have strength for you. Know that too.
That me I tell you. Make sure.
You mean I just want to make sure?
No, it's not quite so, young man. It's not quite so. You have the right. You have the right to be silent. Anything you say can and be against the court of law. No, you're gonna turn around.
Look at your bar. Look at your bar record.
Yeah.
A long time I feel lucky, mommy. Tell that this with him now. He want to tell me, him beat me, abuse me. Officer, look here. And I yes, I'm not even want to hold it. Could the officer look there? Look at that.
No, we have enough evidence. We definitely have enough evidence, young lady.
Go on with him, I beg you, go on with him. I don't want him in the place.
Anything you say can.
Go on with him. Take him and go on. Take him and go on a long time, forget lock up. You beat up your girl for a fear pitney. You come and beat her up. Take him and go on. Oh, Tada.
So you really have set me up like this?
Sir, remain calm. Remain calm. Remain calm. You know, with the law, remain calm. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
No worry, I have to come out here.
No, you're not coming out. And you have too much talk to.
You're not carrying on.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this young man.
Sit here.
Give it to me, young lady. No fingerprint. Thank you. Go ahead, young man.
Go with him. Long time. Jesus. God, thank you, Jesus Christ. I can't believe that this Jesus Christ crosses come out of my life. Crosses come out of my life. And know me happy.
No,
I love me. Thank God. God, I know my hope and pray every day. Finally come true. Could you even if look money, we can't take and split in a half. Come girl. You get one and me take one.
Yeah man, so you made it to the end of the movie. You understand? So you know just share a movie to all your family member them. You understand? You know say if you go to school, share to all your schoolmates, share to your classmate them, share to your teacher, share to your principal. And they know say, yeah man, Color and Book drop a new movie and they know say I pay good content over here. You understand? So I just want to continue support the movement. You know, so we'll leap our work forward. You understand? So stay tuned for a lot more Color and Book TV to your world.